Hey, how you doing? Back again. Day 33, day 32, don't know. A day. Ruskin Glass Centre still. Look, this is the place. This is the place. And actually, that is my workshop there, which looked great, you know, on the front and everything. It's around the back of the cafe. People don't find me. Don't worry about it. Happens all the time. Been here nearly 10 years or over 10 years. And people still don't know I'm around the back of the cafe, but on the front of the building, which is... Anyhow, I want to show you something. Oh yeah, look at the car park. Big car park, great place, brilliant place. What I want to show you is something that's going on that's going to help with IFOG. It's going to help anyhow with the Ruskin Glass Centre. It says Ruskin Glass Centre up there. It's going to help with that anyhow. But for IFOG as well, it'll be great. What we're getting is a lift. So what's happening is, what was here was steps all the way up this side and that side. But now, thanks to the Arts Council, thank you Arts Council, we're getting a lift, which will make it much easier. We have parking bays for disabled parking and all sorts, and people struggle to get around here. Now we're getting a lift. And the guys were working on it yesterday again. They've put in some steel stuff in, taking the handrails out. Can't wait to see what this looks like. It's going to be brilliant. Still public access through there, but a lift. You'll be able to walk in and get out and go that way into the Glass Centre. Let me show you. And it's looking brilliant. So yeah, well done Arts Council. And it's going to go up here. And you'll come out here. And then you'll be able to come in to the Glass Centre. There's the entrance sign, the cafe, all the businesses that are in there. And yeah, can't wait.